News.
Why waste your money in Security Operations Center services? This is a good question. Because there are criminals, organizations, other companies, and even state players who are after your innovations, your key people, your knowledge, after everything which may have some value in the future. Today's networks, such as Internet of Things or operational technology networks, need to be monitored. In the past, SCADA systems controlling OT systems were isolated from the rest of the world. Today, everything is integrated. Visibility to traffic is needed to expose security threats, and to provide useful information about production performance and quality, and to predict needs for maintenance. Technology is getting more complex, and now, even our healthcare depends on online devices. Our health status is monitored with connected sensors. Operation rooms are equipped with gadgets that feed and read online data. No one is left unconnected. Security Operations Center is vital for every sector. Warning. In the future, even our lives depend on networks.
Welcome to our news channel. Let us go through the key functions of the Security Operations Center. First, data collection. Data is collected from pre-integrated systems, such as emails and user accounts, with field sensors. The data is transferred to the SOC's log files. Second, threat feeds from security information providers are shared. Third, information is fed in Security Incident and Event Management System for analysis. That is the core of all the functions. Fourth, reporting. Reports on the discovered security incidents are the basis of the decision-making. Fifth, classification of security incidents and actions for processing. Sixth, making the decisions what to do based on alerts and warnings. Security incidents must be contained fast. However, today's SOCs have reaction times of hours or even days. Is it fast enough? How does it work? Everything starts with integration. Log files are collected from critical web services, database services, applications, communication connections, payment services, and from all network and cloud services. Load balancing feeds the data into the firewall, a key monitoring point. All this data is fed into the sensors, which are batching files to be sent for the Security Incident and Event Management Systems for processing. This integration allows all traffic from end users and connected devices to be analyzed, providing the necessary information of the security of the system. Now all is completed. It is essential to set all the necessary KPIs to get the security procedures ready for the operations. Once that is done, the whole domain is complete and ready for monitoring. This was enough before. But is this sufficient for the future? Maybe? No. Why? Because technology is moving forward and fast. Now, we need the next generation security operations centers. But first let's look at the events that lead to this need. During the last 30 years, the number of connected devices and people has grown. At the same time, the cost of connected devices has shrunk. Today, security incidents are more frequent and more severe. The amount of data makes event-based sensors struggle to catch these incidents. Why do we need the new Security Operations Center? There are more connected devices than people. Network speeds increase by the day. 5G brings in new, stricter requirements. You need tools that can handle all that traffic. Networks themselves are evolving. Routing is no longer predefined, but continuously shifting due to artificial intelligence making the most efficient decisions for the moment. Monitoring must be constant to catch these changes. Cyber threats evolve and grow as well, which makes it a must to look at the traffic in real time. What's more, the traditional separation between IT and OT environments is crumbling. This means traffic must be monitored everywhere. To stay secure in such a complex environment, you need a continuous real-time view of the traffic, built on strategically placed, flow-based sensors that can manage all that traffic, see the threats, capture the data you need, process it, and forward it where you need it. What's more, testing the networks must also happen online, to keep up with the changes. We provide you with the tools you need, from Europe, with trust. Rugged tooling,